The trouble code for a multiple cylinder misfire is typically p0300. This code indicates that misfires are occurring
moto,
in multiple cylinders
ground,
but does not
signal motion.
specify which ones. Other
Ndio,
specific codes, like
nimegugu.
p0301,
Sasa wewe ndio umejituma bada
p0302,
uangalie tu Google.
etc., indicate misfires in individual cylinders. Here are signs of ignition
Spawners.
coil failure that can lead to a multi-cylinder misfire in a Nissan include: check engine light. This may illuminate due
Moto
to
inaanza
misfire
from mwisho, si
codes.
ndio?
Rough idle. The engine may shake or vibrate more than usual when idling. Loss of power. You might experience reduced acceleration or overall performance. Poor fuel economy. Increased fuel consumption can result from inefficient combustion. Engine hesitation. The vehicle may hesitate or stumble during acceleration. Increased emissions. A failing coil can lead to unburned fuel, resulting in higher emissions. No start condition. In some
Moto,
cases, a bad coil
ground,
can prevent the
signal
engine from
mwisho.
starting.
Si ndio? Si nimegugu. Sasa wewe ndio umejituma bada uangalie tu Google. Spawners. Moto inaanza from mwisho, si ndio?